Are you helping?
Yeah.
Yeah. Hey guys, welcome to Gallup Gardens. Spring is here, early March.
The bugs off.
Yeah.
I want to have the bugs off.
You're washing the bugs off?
Yeah.
Cool. We're getting little asparagus up. Planted our strawberries. Getting our little seedlings ready. What you got going on here?
So I've got mostly brassicas, cold winter things, 2 rows of cauliflower, 2 different types of cabbage, 2 different types of kale, my favorite, Brussels sprouts, 2 rows of greens for you, and then a lot of lettuce.
Oh, good stuff.
We're gonna finish this tray off, and then I'm gonna do tomatoes and pepper trays.
Lots and lots. Uh-oh. Getting out of hand here. Okay. Well, they're over there. Go get one. Hey, Heston. Hi, come here. He says, wait a minute.
Pick a stick. Show me.
Okay, I'll help you. Okay, can you stomp that one and break that one? Well, let me help you. Okay, here, put it right here. There you go, stomp it. Oh, learned helplessness. Oh. Well, I'm sorry.
That's 1 seed for 1. Yep. Okay.
You okay, King Arthur? You got it. Pull. Oh. Uh-oh. Somebody's big, grounded.